This is JW Airsoft here, and today we're going to be looking at the DPMS Panther Arms M4 Carbine. Now, I don't want any comments saying, oh, this is a really bad gun, you shouldn't be doing reviews on this. Actually, it's a really good gun for beginners. It is definitely shooting over 250 FPS, maybe possibly 300. I did get the chrono to around 290 to 305. This is not bad of a gun, as bad as you think it is. To me, it does look upgradable because you can take this gun apart. You can have full access to the gearbox, and you have removable rails, which you can put on metal rails. The whole rail system can be taken off. The upper barrel can be taken off too, but the flash hider cannot be removed. But anyways, just please don't any comments about this. Just if you guys are watching, just please, this is not bad of a gun. So starting off with a review, first off, when I first started my introduction video, it had clear here and clear right up here. I did a custom paint job with just black spray paint, and I think it came out pretty good. Looks a lot better than it did. Now let's do the review. It has full tactical rail systems, a front triangle sight and a rear handle sight. It has a metal trigger, a mag release right there, a safe, semi, and full automatic position, and it has a full-size stock, and the battery compartment is in the back, which I'll show you later in the review. Now, first, I want to show you that it does have a working charging handle, like this, so just like that, and you pull it back right there, shows the hop-up, and with the package of the gun you do get a little Allen tool which can be able to adjust that, which I'm pretty sure you can just use your fingers because that's what I do. And the handle sight can be taken off with these two little knobs here, just untwist them. And it has two metal front and rear sling mounts. And that is pretty much it for the body of the gun. The gun is fully constructed of plastic, very heavy, very good plastic, not very shaky, very sturdy, with both the sights hold together. And that is a little wire inside the in the buttstock, if you can hear that. But that's pretty much it. So what you get in the package is a very nice foregrip. There is a secret compartment there, which I'll show you sometime later in a different video, but I don't have time to do it. But that's how you do it. It comes with 500.2 gram BBs in this little decent little pocket thing. It comes with an LED flashlight, well not LED, but blue flashlight. And it also comes with a 7.2 volt battery. Comes with one 350 round high capacity wind-up magazine. It also comes with a red dot sight, it's kind of cheap, but it still works. And it also comes with just your average wall charger. And it also comes with a plastic Colt 1911, which is crappy, I threw it away. And it also comes with a genuine, which I lost. So, next for the magazine, right here, I put green tape on it because I'm a green team on my Airsoft team. So it goes in very smoothly, real nice, almost no wiggle, just a tad. That's pretty much it, but otherwise, the magazine is very secure. I've had no problems with the magazine whatsoever. No jamming yet, nothing bad happened. It's fully constructed plastic, so it's not that special, but it's a good magazine. You can really rely on it. Now next is the battery. Now the battery is very simple to put in. All you gotta do is take the buttstock and push it outward like that, and the thing comes off. Now you just plug in the battery like so. Just plug it in like that, slide it in there, and then just get all the wiring in there, takes a little bit of time, and then just put the stock, and it has to be slide it upward a little bit, if you can see that, and then when it's secure on there, just slide it. And that is all you have to do to put the magazine in. The battery. So on semi, this is what it sounds like. And full automatic is this. It's not, the battery is really low. It usually has a way higher rate of fire than that. But besides that, when it's fully charged, it goes about twice as fast as that. It's not insanely fast, but it does have a lot of power behind the BB. So you don't have to worry too much about that. Like I said, this is not like a professional gun. It is a like a beginner's gun. So, and the foregrip is easy to attach. All you gotta do is just unscrew the thing, slide it on like that to your comfortable way, and just tighten it up. Oh, once it locked in there, and that's what it looks like. Very comfortable. I do enjoy using this gun, especially with this, because it's really comfortable. Now, that is pretty much it for the review. Like I said, I don't want any comments about this. It is a decent gun for beginners, great beginner's gun if you're starting Airsoft, so I'm just letting you guys know that. So yeah, that was a review of the DPNS Panther Arms M4 carbine. Thanks for watching.